Welcome, Pinners. Today, we're diving into an essential topic: securing your Pinterest account by changing your password. Whether you're aiming to boost your account's security or simply want a fresh start, this updated guide will walk you through each step. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and ensure you're logged in. Once you're in, tap on Saved located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile. Think of this as your Pinterest headquarters, where you can customize your experience and, most importantly, manage your account security. Next, find and tap on your profile icon. It's usually located in the upper right corner. Tapping your profile icon opens a menu with several options. Look for the Settings option and tap on it. This is where you can tweak various aspects of your Pinterest experience, from notification preferences to account details. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Account Management. Tap on Account Management to access your account settings. Here, you'll find options to change your personal information, manage connected accounts, and of course, update your password. Tap on Password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can make changes to your password. Once you've entered your current password, you'll be able to create a new one. When choosing a new password, make it strong and unique. A combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is recommended. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. The stronger your password, the more secure your account will be. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. This ensures that you've entered it correctly and reduces the risk of typos. Double-checking is always a good idea when it comes to passwords. Finally, tap the Done button to save your new password. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Pinterest password and taken a significant step in securing your account. Regularly updating your password is a simple yet effective way to keep your Pinterest account safe from unauthorized access. It's like adding an extra layer of protection to your digital fortress. So, make it a habit to change your password periodically, especially if you suspect any suspicious activity on your account. And that's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this updated guide helpful. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against online threats. Stay safe, stay secure, and happy pinning.